But that is what she said.
I can't believe we're in the same class this whole semester and we just met today.
Yeah, it's too bad.
Too bad.
Well, just because class is over doesn't mean we still can't see each other, right?
Yeah, I can come by the bowling alley where you work.
Cool, totally hook it up.
Awesome. My boyfriend loves bowling.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
My boyfriend loves bowling.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
My boyfriend loves to bowl.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
My boyfriend.
So, it's a little overdramatic, but that's pretty much how I feel inside every single time. Well, it was really nice meeting you.
Yeah, it was nice meeting you too. My ride's here.
And when I say every single time, it's because every girl I crush on has a boyfriend.
Oh, come on!
Every.
All right.
Single.
Hey, Vivian, it's Frank. Yeah, you gave me your number at the car wash today.
Oh yeah, hey, let me call you right back because my boyfriend... Hello? What the hell?
No! No! Ah!
Time.
That's just my luck. I mean, the universe just wants to dangle all these carrots in front of me. It's cruel. And take this girl, for example. Her name is Carol. She's come in here a few times over the last couple months. Super nice, super cute. But I just know, she probably has a boyfriend, knowing my luck. Although, of all the time she's been here, she hasn't shown any signs. Full frontal hug with hip contact? Is that a boyfriend? Nah. Friends can hug like that. Friends can sit on each other's laps, right?
Yeah, totally.
I mean, then why does this always happen?
It's not that complicated, Frank. If you're interested in them, chances are other guys are interested too. You're not the only one with eyes in the...
Dude, but they're never single, okay? They always have a boyfriend. If they're never single, how do I even get a shot?
Right, like how did her current boyfriend get into that spot if she's always been in a relationship?
Dude, if I can figure that out...
Then you'd have infinite potential to get with any girl on the face of the universe.
Tanner, what are you doing here?
Well, the arcade is getting a little lonely, and I overheard your little pity party. I now know we're on common mission. Walk and talk. I've been in your shoes, Frankie. For the last 15 years of my life, I've wondered the same thing. Why every girl I liked has always had a boyfriend. Now, Jeff was right. Good catches are always gonna have multiple people going after them, which means they'll usually always be in a relationship. Unless, of course, they're in that, I just want to be single right now phases. But sometimes a beautiful thing happens. They break up.
You are a terrible person.
You hold it for me? Now, what I mean is, in the tragic case, she breaks up with her boyfriend, you now have a chance to be there for her and take over. Now, this is your window of opportunity to swoop in. Now, depending on how awesome this girl is, that window is gonna go real fast. So you gotta get in there real quick.
So, when will I know when this window of opportunity opens up?
You need to stick around her. Always be her friend and always keep up with her.
So you want me to voluntarily put myself in the friend zone?
No, I'm friends with like 15 different girls, just to keep my place in line. Hey, it's not so bad.
Right, but you also haven't had a girlfriend in like ever.
Aha! You take one of these.
What's this for?
What girl you like in there? You hold on to this, and then when you find out that she's been broken up with, you come in and swoop in with this rose.
Swoop!
That is the worst advice ever. Look, man, you gotta know what you're working with. What if this girl is happy in her relationship? You don't want to be that dick that's trying to break up a happy couple. And plus, when a girl is happy with her dude, any other guy that approaches her just comes off creepy.
Carol, you should definitely leave your boyfriend for me. Yeah. Yeah, definitely don't want to be that guy.
But what if she's not happy? What if her boyfriend is just a stupid douche, stinky boyfriend, right? But you're never gonna know if she's happy or not unless you have someone on the inside.
And that way I can avoid being friend zoned.
Exactly.
Wait, what if...
Hey, you're Carol's friend Amy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is sort of awkward, but
That guy at the bowling alley totally likes you.
What guy?
Don't just come right out and say it. Just be normal friends.
Right.
thanks for having me over.
Yeah, I had fun.
Yeah. Cool. So I got.
Whoa! What are you doing?
I thought you liked me.
What? No! We're just friends. Carol. I like Carol.
Can you both stop it? Is this girl that special to you?
Yeah, I think so.
Think so? Is she worth waiting for in the unknown chance she becomes single and you have no idea when it can happen?
Maybe.
Is she worth causing a bunch of drama and hurting people if you say something? If you're ready to either swallow your feelings or piss off a bunch of people, then all this advice is actually valid. You do want to stay friends, but not in a shady way. And yes, it is good to have someone that knows the situation better on the inside, but don't manipulate people.
Yeah, don't do that, Frank. Come on.
It's not one simple strategy, it's a bunch of variables that have to align. So stop thinking you are the perfect match for every girl and that it's only because she has a boyfriend why you can't be together. There is a reason why the window of opportunity is closing on you. You just can't see it right now.
Thank you.
Carol? Hi.
Oh, hi,
Frank. I work at the bowling alley.
Frank. Thanks for the discount last time.
Oh, no problem. I haven't seen you guys there lately.
Oh, my boyfriend's gotten really into tennis lately, so we've been doing a lot of that now.
Your boyfriend's really lucky.
Thanks. Maybe I'll see you at the bowling alley soon.
Yeah. I better see some turkeys. So late. Oh, excuse me. Do you know if it's okay to park here?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Carol.
Yeah!
What are you doing here?
Just shopping, running some errands. Are you still at the bowling alley?
No, I left my bowling days behind.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, your boyfriend never got back into it?
Well, we're not together anymore.
Oh, sorry.
Totally okay. So, what are you doing now?
Applying to grad school, and me and my girlfriend are gonna go to a bookstore, get some studying done.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to make you late.
Oh.
And yeah, I think you're good till 3.
Oh, thanks. You know, sometimes it just seems like you're missing out on all these different people. But in reality, you're just being saved for the right person, who's even better.
You don't have the tiramisu, so I got the red velvet.
Oh, thanks.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Man, I knew she had a boyfriend.
Why does this happen every single time?